Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1058 filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame into the housing to clip it into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.